At its simplest, Bitcoin is a virtual currency. Bitcoin transactions run on a peer-to-peer network that guarantees their security and validity. This global peer-to-peer network can be joined by anybody at any time. All you have to do is download the software and connect. Transactions are propagated nearly instantly in the network and are confirmed within a couple of minutes. Since the network is global, your physical location is meaningless. It doesn't matter if I send Bitcoin to my neighbor or to someone on the other side of the world. It happens at the same speed. All of this is possible because consensus rules the network. This means that every computer on the network agrees unanimously on every single transaction in the history of Bitcoin. So rather than having a central authority like a bank or a government that decides whether or not transactions are valid, everyone decides. It is a decentralized network. Because of this, your actions on the network are irreversible. Once you've sent a transaction, there's no undoing it. There's no authority to ask for a refund or headquarters to email. What's done is done. As such, transacting with Bitcoin or any other cryptocurrency should be done with extreme care. But how is this all possible? How can everyone in such a huge global network possibly agree on the history of every single network transaction? Transactions are grouped together into blocks that are then added to the list of each block that came before. Because the network is peer-to-peer, every peer has the data of every block. This means that every node is able to independently verify whether any given transaction is valid or not. So if a group of bad actors try to spend or take Bitcoins that don't belong to them, the rest of the network is able to enforce the truth. Miners are the users that dedicate their computing power to grouping transactions into blocks. They verify the legitimacy of every transaction, group them together, and then add them to the chain. In exchange for every block they successfully add to the blockchain, the network automatically rewards them with Bitcoin. This provides a monetary incentive for users to maintain the integrity of the network. At a high level, this is how Bitcoin enables users to move and store value. But I'm sure you have many more questions. Where does someone store an entirely digital asset? How is it kept safe? How do I spend or receive a digital asset? Let's try and answer those as simply as we can. Much like hard currency, Bitcoin needs a place to be stored, like a wallet. A Bitcoin wallet is a secure program that stores cryptocurrency. Within your wallet, you will be given an account address that you can use for transacting. You can view your balance, send Bitcoin to another account address, and receive Bitcoin all from within your wallet. We have an in-depth guide on cryptocurrency wallets that you should check out if you're interested in recommendations for maintaining a safe wallet, good wallets to try, and much more.